You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $43,600 level approximately at this area. So we see a breakout on this very move and market move up to $45,000 level on Bitcoin. And right now we are seeing retracement to the downside. So are we going to see the market go further down, or we are going to see the market break here and go right up? And then on ETH, we are seeing this very strong supply level resisting the market from going up at this area. So are we going to see the market break through to the downside, or we are going to see the market break this very strong resistance level? And also, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance chart, it's finding it very, very difficult to break this strong resistance level. So all of this in today's video. If you are new to this channel, please leave a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you receive updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational and informative content. So let's dive right into today's video. If you look at Bitcoin right here on the one-day chart, this is exactly what I'm looking out for right now. If you see the market, this very candle that is forming right now, close below this very bullish candle, this is spinning top, then that means that we are going to see the market come back right down. Okay, so this is what I am looking out for on the one-day chart. Very simple reason, because if you look at it right here, we have a very strong resistance level at this area, and we have resistance here, support here, and support at this area. So this very level is very important. I talked about this earlier in my previous video, that you should be looking at a very strong resistance at the 43 and 44K level at this area on Bitcoin. And exact same thing, that is what we are seeing right now on Bitcoin because of this strong resistance, turn resistance at this very area. So it's very, very important for you to understand that if this candle forming right here close below this very candle right at this point, that means we are going to see more of bearish move into the market. So this is what I am looking out for on Bitcoin on the one-day chart. If you go back to the 4-hour chart right here, yesterday in my previous video, I talked about a significant move on Bitcoin and that you should be careful around this area. I look at this very move and I said this is a fake move to the upside and this is a clear divergence, and I said this have not been clear. And in the Telegram group, I also talk about this very move right here. It said confirmation of this bearish divergence on BTC USDT, expect good retracement for now on Bitcoin. And then right here I say expect retracement to 43 and 42K level at this area. So if you've not joined the Telegram group, please check the description right now and join the Telegram group for immediate and prompt updates. So if you go back here, exact same thing happened, market come back right down. So as baby traders, we are jumping into the market around this area of 45K level. We were already aware that market is going to retrace back to the downside. So the question right now is that market is finding it very, very difficult to cross this very strong resistance level right now on Bitcoin. We see resistance right here, resistance here, see resistance at this point, and market breakthrough and come back right down. So what I am looking out for right now is a significant breakout on this very resistance right at this area, because if the market go back to this area and then come back right down, and then if we see a breakout again, so that means that market is going to go up. If market find difficulty in moving up from this area, and then we should expect the market to come back right down into this area of 42 and 41K level, and this will be a nice place to take a trade for market to move to the upside. And then if this happens, I am going to give this call right here, and the target I am looking out for is this very level right at this area of strong resistance. Same thing, if market break out and we see a breakout on this very level, then we are going to enter a trade as well for market to move far up to the upside. And then one more thing, for market to move straight to the upside, we want to also see the Bitcoin dominance right here break this resistance level. If we see a breakout on the Bitcoin dominance on this resistance right at this area, then and we see a breakout also on this very strong resistance, that also means that market is going to pump far way up to the upside right here with a strong bullish momentum on BTC. So this is what I am looking out for right now on Bitcoin, and this is going to happen on the immediate short time. If you look at ETHUSDT here, I talk about this very strong supply level right there, and it's resisting the market from going up. So if you look at it right here, we see resistance at this area, we have resistance here, and market will possibly resist around this area as well. So what I am looking out for right now on ETH is that if markets go up to this area, I am not going to take a trade. Reason because this is a very strong resistance level. I want the market to break out on this very strong resistance before I take a trade. Else, if markets break down, then I am looking at the market to go back right down to retest this very point of support. The resistance here will turn support. I want to see the market touch this trend line before the continuation of the next move. That is, if market go down and go below this very strong support level at this very area right here. So this is what I am looking out for on ETH. All this will be controlled by the Bitcoin dominance chart right here. If the market break out, then Ethereum is going to move far way up. If markets go back right down from this area, then also we should expect ETH to go back right down as well. Not only that, if you look at on Ethereum as well, we see this same divergence that happened on Bitcoin is also prominent on ETHUSDT at this area. So you see this divergence and the markets go back right now. Like I said earlier, this is not a strong bearish divergence. It is a divergence that will prompt a retracement in the market, just like we are seeing right now, like I talked about in my other video on BTC USDT at this area. So this is what I am looking out for right now on ETH and BTC USDT. So what do you think Bitcoin is going to do in the next coming days? Are we going to break this level, or we're going to go back down into this area of 42 and 41k level before we see the market move to the upside? Comment below right in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification, and then also check the channel for other informative and educational content. If you've not registered on Binance, KuCoin, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description right now, and do your registration right away. If you have not enrolled for the Remit course and learned how to do simple technical analysis combined with fundamentals, contact in the description right now and reach out to us and learn how to trade cryptocurrency profitably with a simple technical approach. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.